You are going to love the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lamps, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.